Hello everyone, in today's video, I will demonstrate how to conceal your avatar on Facebook. If you wish to make your avatar private on your Facebook profile, preventing others from viewing it, please follow these steps. Open the Facebook application and click on your profile menu. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner to access your settings. In the Settings menu, click on Account Center. Within the Account Center, select Profiles. Choose your Facebook account and click on Avatar at the bottom. Click on the three dots at the top and select Avatar Settings. To make your avatar private, choose Only Me and click on Done. By following these steps, you can easily hide your Facebook avatar from public view.